Oh, hello guys, welcome to a new video website about YouTuber. In this video, we are gonna test out the 65 watt charging test of the Realme 7 Pro. So let's get started. Here you can see the phone is completely drained, charge is 0% and the temperature is 26 degrees centigrade. Let's start our stopwatch and see. You can see guys, charging speed is super duper fast, rapidly charging its battery. In just 5 minutes the phone completes up to 21% mark. And let's see the temperature of this phone. 22 is 31 degrees centigrade. The temperature of the phone is 31 degrees centigrade. So let's continue the test. In just 10 minutes the phone takes 40% charge. Wow guys, it's really amazing guys. In just 20,000 price point, this type of insane charging speed is truly unbelievable guys. In just 15 minutes of time, the phone takes 56% charge from 0 to 56%. And the temperature is only 36 degrees centigrade. And now as you can see, in just 20 minutes the phone is about 73 degree 35 degree temperature and 73% charge. So let's continue the test. In just 25 minutes, the phone is on 86% mark. That's truly unbelievable for this price point of a phone. And the temperature is draining down to normal. It's about 35.6 degrees centigrade. As you can see here, it can vary about the position of the temperature meter. The phone on the side of the battery, the temperature is slightly higher than the other parts of the phone. Let's continue with the test. In just 30 minutes, in just half an hour, the phone is on 94% charge, about to full. Oh god, and the temperature is 34 degrees centigrade. That's literally unbelievable guys. What I can say about this? Yeah, phone like under 20k, this phone is truly insane in the charging category. It's truly beast. In just 36 minutes the phone charges the battery to the full 100% charge. That's literally amazing guys. Even though these flagships nowadays can't compare with this phone of 20,000. It's literally amazing, and the temperature also is about 34.8 degrees Celsius. It's literally outstanding for this price point. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye and peace out.